Hello everyone, and thank you for tuning in to our e-learning training session. Today we are going to show you how to jailbreak your iOS device. First, we're going to demonstrate how to back up your iOS device. Then we're going to explain Evasi0n and the Cydia software used. Next, we're going to demonstrate applications that works well with a jailbroken device. And then we're going to understand the benefits of jailbreaking an iPhone.
Hi there, my name's Tom. I'll be teaching you how to back up your iOS device so you have everything you need for if something were to go wrong. You can save your pictures, your videos, your apps, and your music and contacts. First, you're going to need to open up iTunes. Next, you're going to have to make sure you have the iPod cord along with your iOS device. You're going to want to plug that into the USB drive on your computer, and then in the upper right hand corner of iTunes, a little button should appear that says iPhone. You're going to want to click on that and then follow the instructions. You can either back it up to your iCloud or your computer, and then once you do that, you just hit backup now and it'll back everything up for you. You want to say backup apps, and then you'll see the steps at the top. There's 4 steps, and you'll just have to wait for those to finish, and then your device will be backed up.
Okay, so after you have your iOS device backed up, it is time to go and download Evasi0n. Now, to do this, what you want to do is you want to open your internet browser and go to Evasi0n.com. That's spelled Evasi0n.com. And what will happen is the screen that is shown here on the PowerPoint will come up, and it will show you 2 options, and those options are either for a Mac operating system or a Windows operating system. Now, this is the file you're going to download before that you inject it into your iOS device, so you just want to download it according to whatever operating system you're running. And for me, it would be Windows, so I would click on that, and then Mega, which is the downloader for the software, would pop up, and the first image that would pop up is the second one that's on your screen where it says download or import. Now what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click download. Once you click download, the third image will pop up, and it'll just be the percentage that it is completing. And if you go ahead and take a look at your manual right now, which I'll pull up on the screen here, it shows you the steps labeled 1 through 12. Now the first step, as I said, is go to the internet browser and type that in, choose your type of computer, and then go to Mega, and it'll start downloading. Once the program is running, it will install onto the computer, and you'll want to open the Evasi0n application that appears in the file on the computer's home screen. You then want to make sure your iPhone device is connected to the personal computer via USB cord. And once the application is running and the device is connected, a list of stages will pop up, which are listed below, and I'll explain this later as we go into the PowerPoint. You'll then want to unlock your iOS device, tap Evasi0n application icon located on the home screen, and then step 5 will happen, and then your jailbreak should be complete, and I'm going to go over them right now. So if you take a look, that is the folder that will pop up after you download. You'll want to double click on that, and this will pop up. You'll then want to click on Evasi0n, and one of these 2 windows will come up depending on what kind of operating system you're running. And once you plug in your iPhone or iOS device into your computer, that jailbreak button will become bolded, and you'll be able to click on it, and that's when all of those steps listed in the manual will start to happen. This is the Evasi0n icon that will come up before step 5, and what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to tap that once, and that is what will inject the Evasi0n software into your device. Now once you're done with that, the Cydia icon should pop up as shown there, and we're going to have Janine talk to you more about Cydia.
Hi everyone, my name is Janine, and I will be covering what is Cydia, why is it important, what kind of apps you can get with this application. Okay, first we're going to start off, what is Cydia? Cydia is a software application store for all jailbroken iOS Apple devices. Cydia provides graphical user interface to jailbroken users, and this means that it allows you to install software that is not otherwise freely available on the App Store. And although Cydia is a jailbroken application store, you can still go back and use the Apple Store for buying other devices, for buying other applications. This just allows you to get those apps for free.
So the first application we're going to cover is called Key Black, and I'm going to explain to you what it does and how to download it. Now, normally when you have an Apple device and you use applications such as messaging or Notepad or even Twitter, the keyboard is white. So with this application, it will change that keyboard from white to black as a customization prop. So when you first open up the Cydia store, you want to look for, you want to go to Manage, and then on the top, in the middle, you click on Sources, and what you want to do is you want to add or edit any repositories. So you click on Edit on the top right, and then you want to go to Add on the top left. And online, if you look up Key Black, it gives you a URL to type in to add the source. So you want to copy and paste that in there and click on Add. And then a whole bunch of packages will start to unload and download the software onto your device. And once that's complete, you go back to the Manage homepage, and then you click on Sources, and it should be listed. The fourth one down as a repository is called Ken Chan repository. So once that's downloaded, here's just a screenshot of before and after. So you go to the sources, and then you scroll down, and it should be listed Key Black underneath the K's. And then once you click on that, you want to click Install on the top right corner, and then it's just going to ask for confirmation of if you want to download it or not. And once you confirm, another packages and configurations will be put onto your phone, and then you want to restart your Springboard at the bottom. So once your phone reboots, this is an example of how the keyboard went from white to black.
Right. Next, I'm going to tell you about the application Springtomize. I'm going to tell you what it does and how to download it. Springtomize, it's an application that will allow you to customize your iPhone in just about any way you want, from changing how many icons you can have on your dock, changing up anything on the lock screen, and even change the top bar on your phone. First, you're going to want to open Cydia. You're going to want to press the Manage button on the bottom. And for this one, we're going to have to add a source, so you're going to want to click on the sources. And then at the top right, you're going to want to click the Edit button, and then hit the Add Source button at the top left. After that, you're going to want to type in this cydia.exalize.com. This is a repository that will allow you to unlock a lot of different things, including Springtomize. Now, warning, when this will pop up, don't worry, the ones we're teaching you about are not illegal, so you don't have to worry about that. So you can just click Add anyway. And then it'll download all the packages, and you're going to want to click Return to Cydia when you're done. And as you can see, the Exalize app is now available, so you can just click on that source, and then you're going to want to scroll down to the Springtomize app. And you can see that you can use it for iOS 4, iOS 5 or 6, or iOS 7. Just click on whichever one matches up with your iOS program. And then you're going to want to click Install in the upper right corner. You're going to want to click Confirm. And then again, you're going to have to restart your Springboard, which will restart the iPhone for you. And then when you do, this will pop up, and then you can click Go to Settings, and it'll take you. You want to hit Dismiss there, and then this will pop up, and this is your Springtomize app. You can go through, you can do different animations, anything you see there.
Alright, the next application we're going to talk about is Byte SMS. I'm going to talk about what does it do and how do you download it. Byte SMS is just another messaging application with a lot more features than the standard messaging application has. For example, it's a lot like Droid texting or Motorola texting, where once you get a text message, it will actually pop up on your lock screen or in whatever app you're in, and you can just click reply and then reply straight from your lock screen without having to open up the messages application, which is the most handy feature. It also has a lot of features that make sending things such as pictures or files a lot easier. So now I'm going to discuss with you how to download it. First, again, you have to open up Cydia, and you will want to click on the Manage tab. After you click Manage, you will want to click Sources, and then after you click Sources, you'll want to click Edit, because we do need to add another source for this. And the source that we're going to be adding is sinfuliPhoneRepo.com, so that's all you'll type into your source box once that pops up. What you're going to do is you're going to click Add Source. The source warning again will pop up as it did for Springtomize, but this app, of course, is not illegal, so we're going to add anyway. All the packages for the source will then download, and you'll want to click Return to Cydia. This shows the new and the old, and the Sinful iPhone repo is on the right, second to the bottom, as you can see on the screen shown. And what you'll do is after you click the Sinful iPhone repo, you'll scroll down to Byte SMS Cracked, and you'll click on that. Once you click on that, you can see the description that's listed there, and you can go ahead and click Install and then Confirm. Now after that happens, all the packages will be unloaded for the application, and you'll want to reboot your device, which is pretty much the same as restarting the Springboard. It just restarts your device and allows the application to be on your phone. And as you can see, the pink Byte SMS application is now on your iPhone.
Hello everyone, my name is Janine. I will be going over the iFile application. We'll be talking about what it does and how to download it. So iFile is an application that gives you complete control over your data, including the ability to edit, delete, copy, paste, rename, compress, and even email files. And with this search functionality here, you'll be able to easily type in any letters to any document that you are searching for, and you'll be able to find it within seconds. Okay, now we're covering how to download it. You'll go to your home screen, click on the Cydia application, and then from there, you'll go to Manage, which is right here at the bottom right here. From there, you'll go to the Sources. From Sources, you'll click on the XLS, which was downloaded previously to this, which we're going to need to finish downloading this other application. From there, we're going to go to Edit, right here. And then from there, you scroll down, you go to iFile, which is this application right here. You click on it. From there, this will come up and it gives you more of a description as to what it is. So right here is the description. Then you go to Install. And once you do that, you'll see this page here. You'll click Confirm. From Confirm, this page will pop up next, and then you'll hit Return to Cydia. And from there, you'll see the iFile application on your home screen device.
Alright, the next application that we're going to be discussing is the TetherMe application. This is actually a really cool application. What this one does is it pretty much turns your phone into a wireless hotspot without you having to pay for it through Verizon or AT&T or whatever carrier you have. Usually carriers charge something around $30, $25 a month in order for you to enable this on your phone. What this does is it just takes your normal data that you have, if you have 3G or 4G, especially if you have unlimited data, this app is really helpful, because what it does is you can broadcast your phone onto, say, your laptop, and whatever data you use on your laptop, say you want to go to YouTube and watch some YouTube videos, it will take the data straight from your phone's 3G data plan, and it'll act just like it's your iPhone. So it pretty much turns it into a wireless hotspot. And now I'm going to discuss with you how to download it. First, you're going to want to go to Cydia, and then we're going to actually click on the search button this time, just to show you a different way to search for the application. And then you can go up to the top bar here and type in TetherMe. Once you do that, you're going to want to click on TetherMe, which is the XLI source. So you can go ahead and click there, and then it'll give you the description again, and you'll just want to click Install and then Confirm again. And then all of the packages will be downloaded, and you'll want to then click Restart Springboard. After that happens, you'll be able to go into settings, which is where this Tether Me application will be, and then it will be right there, and you'll be able